Hey there, welcome to Python Playtime, the coolest place to learn about the awesome power of Python. Now, I know what you're thinking. Python, isn't that what snakes are called? Well, no, not exactly. Python is a computer programming language that has developers from all over the world. The best part, you don't have to be a snake to learn it. In fact, learning Python is like having a superpower. With it, your computer can do all sorts of cool things, like you can make your own game and animations. You can even make your own computer talk to you like a friendly robot sidekick. Just imagine you having your own R2-D2 following you around everywhere you go. Instead of beeping, it's speaking Python. Are you ready to learn how to code like a pro? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Python. Step 1. Download Python. The first thing you need to do is download Python. You can download it for free on the official website, python.org. Just click on download. Just click on download button and select the version of Python that's right for your computer. Make sure you download the latest version of Python, which is currently 3.10. Step 2. Install Python. Once you've downloaded Python, it's time to install it on your computer. Just double click on the downloads file and follow the instructions to install Python. Don't worry, it's a simple progress and it shouldn't take too long. Step 3. You will also need to download and install Spyder. I've put the link in the description box below. Now that you've installed Python and Spyder, it's time to open the Spyder shell to write and run Python code. Step 4. So let's get started with our first program. We're going to start with a classic Hello World program. This is the program that every coder writes when they're just starting out. And no, it's not a program that says hello to the world, although that would be pretty cool too. It's a program that prints out the world's hello world on your computer screen. In the idle, you can type Python commands and run them to see the results. For example, try typing print hello world and press enter. You should see Hello World printed out in the output area. Congratulations! Now you are a Python programmer. Well, that's it for today's Python Playtime. I hope you had a fun time learning about the power of Python. I know this video was a little short today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python Playtime. And don't forget to hit that like button if you had a good time. And always remember, with Python, the sky's the limit.